Starting in iOS 15, you can choose to play a background sound such as bright noise or rain to mask unwanted noise and help you concentrate while you use your iPhone. Here's how. In Settings, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap Audio Visual. Tap Background Sounds. And then turn background sounds on. The default sound, rain, starts playing immediately. You can change it by tapping the sound menu and choosing a new option. Let's try ocean. Tap back to return to the background sound settings. To adjust the volume, drag the slider. Let's turn it down a little. Background sounds also play while you're watching videos, listening to music, or playing other media. If you don't want the background sound to play with media, you can turn this feature off. Tap Play Sample to hear what it sounds like with music playing. You can adjust the level the background sound plays at under media, using the volume with media slider, like this. Tap Stop to stop playing the sample. You can also turn background sounds on and off, and adjust the settings from Control Center. Just tap the hearing button. Now you can change the volume, or switch the sound by tapping background sounds, and tapping a new sound. Let's change back to rain. Tap the screen outside the menu to return to hearing control. You can also turn background sounds on and off by tapping the blue background sounds button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can use your iPhone while the sound plays in the background. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.